Best iPhone camera settings for better photos and videos. If you want to get the most out of the camera on your iPhone 14, here are some useful camera settings you should check. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Camera. Now, tap Formats. Under Camera Capture, choose High Efficiency if you want to save storage space while keeping high-quality photos and videos. Go back to Camera Settings and tap Record Video. For everyday videos, choose 4K at 30 frames per second for a good balance between quality and file size. Next, turn on Grid to help you line up your shots and keep your photos straight. You can also turn on Level to make it easier to keep your camera perfectly aligned. Now, go back and tap Preserve Settings. Turn on the settings you want your camera app to remember, such as camera mode, creative controls, exposure adjustment, and night mode, depending on your preferences. Finally, open the camera app and use the 1x lens for most everyday photos. For subjects farther away, you can switch to the other available lens options. And that's it. These are some of the best iPhone camera settings you can use on your iPhone 14 to improve your photos and videos. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.